Welcome to Top Moments TV. Join us as we dive into the incredible power and speed of modern equipment and their vital role in forestry. You won't be disappointed. Next tree poses a serious safety danger due to fire damage and instability is enveloping the road with a high risk of collapse. Sometimes those secrets are a little rotten. Fortunately, we have amazing people making sure those giants come down without harming anyone or anything. The roar of chainsaws echoes, mixed with the powerful echo of giant logging machines. This is not just work, but an exciting adventure journey, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the green forest, not only stand firmly on the mountain but also have to control each saw stroke, each winch. They are not just loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the midst of nature, where just a small mistake can change the direction of their whole life. Immediate removal is necessary to prevent injury or death. Roman tree removal is very easy with the support of advanced machines. Oh my god, the truck that was carrying the timber seems to be overloaded, causing the truck moving on the road to left to one side. The quality of San Rosendo, an important town in southern Chile, is essential for the forestry region as a transport hub, ensuring the smooth flow of timber and supporting the supply chain. Have you ever stood in front of a giant tree and wondered what stories or secrets it holds? Sometimes, those secrets are signs of decay, and if not dealt with promptly, they can turn into a major hazard. Fortunately, there are brave and dedicated professionals who ensure that these giants are brought down safely, without causing harm to people or the surrounding environment. The Bandit Beast 4680 is an important industrial equipment, used to turn large logs into wood chips, sawdust or smaller-sized products, serving industries such as paper, plywood or energy pellet production. The Volvo FH16660 timber truck is one of the most powerful and modern heavy-duty trucks, designed specifically for transporting jobs that require high strength and durability. The most prominent is the powerful D16 engine with a capacity of up to 660 horsepower. The Volvo FH16660 is not only a means of transport but also a symbol of strength, durability and modernity. It not only helps transport timber effectively but also shows class and prestige in the transport industry. Understand, this is not your grandpa's stump. The grinder we're talking about is industrial grade. Power here. This machine removes stumps, surgically crushes the root system, The precision of the large capacity hopper ensures maximum efficiency when turning those stubborn stumps into useful mulch. Record. Oh, looks like we have a bind saw. That's not good. The best thing to do is turn off the power and step away. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Valmet 843. Valtra 6650 legendary machines are not just tools of labor, but symbols of technical perfection and ultimate power. Their every movement is like an artistic dance, blending human skills and modern technology. Watching them overcome muddy terrain, lifting giant blocks of wood with confident grace, viewers cannot help but admire and marvel. In forestry work, the tree chipper is an important device, providing effective support in processing excess branches and clearing forests. The machine has a large, strong shape, with a sturdy steel frame painted in striking blue or red. The tractor was massive, with a sturdy steel frame and mud-stained yellow paint. Its 4 large wheels had sharp, knobby tires designed to grip the slippery ground. When the engine roared to life, the rumble of the machine was a declaration that no slope could stop it. Forestry, he has done the cutting work. Precision, prioritizing the results. This process is a personal effort and success lies in achieving the desired results without incurring any collateral damage. Look at this giant machine. It is like a forest lawn. Cutting the grass, it is revolutionizing the timber. Harvesting fast, efficient and accurate. Share your thoughts in the comments.
There, they're going up.
Ever wrestled with a stubborn tree stump? Fun. Yes, this Woodland Mills WG24 does it. A breeze connects it to your coyote. This approach saves time and effort, makes the process go smoother. Plus, let's face it, a little destruction is always satisfying. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more great content, and leave a comment below to let me know why you want me to take on this project next. On tough terrain with a draw ratio of over 1.3 to 1, the pole is designed by Forestry Pros. It features electro-hydraulic ion, dual and precision control system, drive motor for continuous swing, FTLB of swing, torque. You ever feel stuck in compensation? Wait a minute. See that? This guy is defying gravity. I mean, come on. When walking on treetops is not something you see every day. These people are the pinnacle of logging. Cleans with a 600 horsepower engine. And smart hydraulics for maximum performance. Efficient is agile design and tackles any advanced cooling challenge. From bushes to invasive. This guy is defying gravity, I mean come on. When going above the treetops isn't something you see every day. They require precision and loading. Records require huge strength. Just look at the excavator. Trying to lift those huge tree trunks up to the truck. But wait, who is driving this job? Oh no. That score is no joke. You can actually see the torque converter on. Related to falling trees, but impact helmet never ignores safety. Gear, music, there she is. Music. Though it's not a game, respect nature. Strength and protect yourself. Tree stump chipper is one of the indispensable equipment in modern agricultural and forestry work. With a sturdy appearance and strong capacity, it is designed to handle the largest and hardest tree stumps, making cleaning and reclamation work easier and more efficient. The circular saw is a modern and useful tool, especially in tree care. Its design is not only compact but also very powerful, making pruning easier and faster than ever.
We're in big trouble. No reason for concern, no. This is where the ugly spot. Wasn't easy. But there. Smack that pin's not down all the way. Gotta fix that too. And a good heavy load of hardwood there.
Modern wood sawing machine is an advanced industrial equipment, playing an important role in the wood processing industry. With a strong and sophisticated design, it not only helps optimize the production process but also saves time and effort for workers. The special feature of modern wood sawing machine is the intelligent control system.
Oil coming out of the... There we go. Keep an eye on this low wire here.
Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.